Okay, let us continue. Still, we are still on working with Excel, working with spreadsheet, working now with chart and built-in function in spreadsheet. And we are on task 3.5. Let me open the task. As you will see, the task is task 3.4, student report card. Student report card. Okay, let me open Excel. Just come here and you type Excel as usual, and it will load. Excel opens automatically. We are going to wait for it to load, and I'll work with the two pages together for us to see. We say using a suitable spreadsheet application, reproduce the hypothetical student first sequence report card as shown below on table 3.5. Table 3.5, as we see, we are going to work from column A to E, from year to year, and from 1 to 20, from 1 to 20, as you see, from 1 to 20, 1 to 20, and from column A to column E. Okay, let us proceed. We are going to present everything as it is. So here the root here sequence, just write as it is. And so sequence number. Sequence. You see, for me to change that, I need to come and level formula bar and click there for the cursor to come out and write the formula bar. You see, it is, I need to reduce it, yeah, or I leave it like that one. Number 1. Okay, I come here, write class my 2 dot, come column B, I write form 1A, column D, I can write column C, column D here, right here, year to the column, I write the year 2016 slash 2017. Okay, I come in column 3 or 3, row 3 rather, I write name 2 dot. Now row 5, I write subject mark 20, write coefficient, write total, write remarks. Okay, then from the on the subject, I then write the different subject: English language, French language, mathematics, English literature, geography, biology, chemistry, history, physics, citizenship, computer science. Okay, now in on row 17, I write the total, write the 2 dot. In row 18, I write number of subjects pass, right, 2 dot. Okay, now row 20, I write students, for students average, two dot. Okay, now we'll just rearrange for it to fit. Rearrange, I want it to fit everything fit. Okay, you see, let us do as it is. Let's arrange for it to be typically as you see on your on your example bird. All the formatting, all the font type, the font alignment, everything will be seen on the question. We are going to do that, but let us first rearrange oriented as we are seeing it here. Since the class is on your right, you change the orientation, come on your right. Then you see at the level of year, there is C and D which form the year. These two columns has been merged. I will maximize it for you to see clearly. These two columns has been merged. For you to merge that, you select the two columns and you come merge. Come on, merge. It merges the two colors, and you see, and the year is on your right. You click on right and it comes, it aligns automatically. Then you, at the level of name, the name row, all this row is being merged. You come here, you select everything to E. I can extend this one, select everything to E to E, and you merge. This is the icon of merge. You merge, and since after merging, it goes on the left. You go and you change the alignment for it to be on your left. Then these different things are centralized, different topics are centralized. You come and centralize it, and when you come down, at the level of 18, so it was 17 is column A and column B. You do the same thing, you merge. So you merge, and the alignment is on the left. Then the number of students, the number of subject parts is A and B. You go and you merge. You see, it becomes very easy when you know which tab to go. You go and put it on your right. If I want to bring it down, you see students average is A and B merge. Come here, select both. So you maintain, come here, select like that, and you merge, and it goes on your right. So everything is being done automatically. I hope it's clear. From this level, at this level, I hope everything has been understood. Now you let us enter the different marks to say 15, 14, 15, 14, 19, 20, 9, 18, 19, 8, and 20. Now here the coefficient, there is 5, there is 5, there is 5, there is 3. Let's enter. Since 3 is repeating itself to physics, you just come here, this small arrow, drag it to physics. This one, it will copy everything. It will copy 3, it will multiply 3 till where you end. Now you have here, you have 2, and you have 2. This is your table. Now let us go now at the level of the question. The question says, perform the following formatting. Adjust column to fit the content. Adjust column to fit the content, as we did that already. Everything has been fitted. Question 2 says, the heading for cell range A1 to E5. A1 is up to E5. A1 to E5, since we are on level Excel, this is A1, and this is the E5 is here. See, from here till here. The heading for cell ranges A1 to E5 and A17 and A17 to E20 here, everywhere here to E20. The headings should be 12 and bold, the rest should be size 10. Okay, all the headings should be only the heading from A1 to E5. This is one heading. Can select all the heading. I maintain the control. I select all the headings. This is the heading to E. We say from A1 to E5. These are the headings. Select all the headings. I come here. They say should be 12 and bold. See, it changes automatically, and the rest should be, now they say from A17, this is A17 to E20, everything should be the same thing, bold and 12. Come here, 12 and bold. I hope it's clear. Everything should be 10. Everything here, since it says 11, everything here, everything should be 10. Come here, at 10. Come here, 10. Come here and you type here 10. Okay, now from we say apply borders around the table as shown. You select everything. For you to apply the border, you select everything. Oh sorry, from here, as you see here, the sequence borders any year, but all here is blank. That means this one from year to year, it is merge. You see there, it is merge. You just nothing is being considered there. Or for you to just come out with the border is on this side, just click first on it and you type here all borders. The border are just for this one. Now you can highlight all these till the end and go on all borders. Since this one is all borders, then click on it and all the border will be placed there automatically. I hope it is clear. Let me maximize it for you to see. Click everything and the border comes automatically. Okay, let's continue. Question 4 says enter in cell D6 a formula to calculate the total marks scored in each subject, given that total is the mark on 20 multiplied by the coefficient. Say in D6, this is it. This is, and I've even given everything. For you to enter the formula, you need to put equals sign, and they say total is the mark on 20 multiplied by the coefficient, which means that it is 15 times 5, which gives the total. I'll just use this one. Now highlight this one times the coefficient. It gives me the total. Okay, it is, as you see, let us come back. They say enter the cell D6 on a formula to calculate the total marks scored in each subject, given that total is the mark on 20 multiplied by the coefficient. See, just that, and press enter. It calculates. Then for you to copy this formula out, you just come here, you hold here and drag it down. This one says reference, so it's a relative cell reference. So you see everything is multiplying the marks and the coefficient to have all the different total. Just write this that formula here, a formula there. one of the formula, either this one or this one, depends on you, but everything being equal. Then say replicate this formula to the remaining cell as origin. We did that. Question 5, insert a formula in E6 that returns the remark based on student score on 20 as follow. Say insert a formula in E6 here that return the remarks based on student score on 20 as follow. It said if mark B is less than 10, then write false, else write pass. Say if it's less than, if mark B6 is less than 10, say it's less than 10, then write fail. Here what we are going to do is that we are going to do in such a way that this one, since it is that the 10 they say is just an example, but we need to do in such a way that they mark the average of this one should be lesser than